Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is May the 18th, 2018, and I wanted to show you my Santa Cruz Sunset Begonias here. Now, these are part of the Sun Cities collection, which the Santa Barbara and the San Francisco are in that collection as well. I grew those earlier this year, and I just wanted to show you what this one here, this variety here looks like. It has a reddish orange bloom to it, and it has the nice open petals to it, and this one can take full sun as well. And you can see the trailing habit that it has here. It has like an arching trailing habit, and you can pinch this to make it more bushier and to make it trail even more. So I just wanted to show you what this one here looked like. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a nice day. Bye.